Every day, we use devices like phones, laptops, and tablets. They all run on systems made by tech giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Google. These companies are so common in our digital lives, we barely think about them anymore. But something big is quietly happening on the other side of the world, in China. At the heart of China's tech industry, Huawei, a major technology company, is working on something that could change the global tech landscape. It's not just another phone or product, it's something much deeper, a whole new operating system called HarmonyOS. In 2019, Huawei was one of the world's top tech companies. Its smartphones were outselling the iPhone, and its laptops were gaining popularity. Then, everything changed. The US imposed sanctions, cutting Huawei off from using Google services, Android updates, and even the chips it needed. It wasn't just pressure, it was a digital blockout. Huawei had two choices: adapt or disappear. So, quietly, the company began building something new, not just a replacement for Google or Android, but a completely independent system. At first, Harmony OS was just a backup plan, but over time, it became the core of Huawei's ecosystem. Today, over 800 million devices use Harmony OS: smartphones, tablets, TVs, cars, smartwatches, and now even PCs. But the latest version, called Harmony OS Next, is what truly sets it apart. Harmony OS Next is not based on American technology. It is not Android. It is not Windows. It does not use Google apps. Everything from the code to the apps to the interface has been built by Huawei. It runs on microkernel system, which Huawei says is safer and more efficient than Windows. Chinese cybersecurity expert claims it is 1,000 times harder to hack than traditional systems. It is also tightly connected with Chinese-made chips like the Kirin 966 and the Ascend 91D, which powers AI systems across China. This gives Huawei total control over both hardware and software. No more relying on Intel, AMD, or Nvidia. Huawei is not just making devices anymore. It is building an entire digital world, fully self-sufficient, secure, and free from US control. There is no Google Play, no Microsoft Office, and no Android apps. Instead, Huawei is creating its own apps for email, documents, cloud storage, and more. It is not just a system, it is a completely separate tech ecosystem. Early reviews in China are positive. Huawei boots 32% faster than Windows 11, uses 29% less RAM, smooth performance, and fast app switching. But there is a major downside: limited apps. Right now, only around 50,000 apps are available on Harmony OS Next. For comparison, Windows has over 660,000. Popular tools like Zoom, Photoshop, and full versions of Microsoft Office are missing. Huawei says more apps are coming, but for now, the system is best for people already using Huawei devices, not those who depend on global software. Huawei does not want to compete with the West. It wants to build its own digital universe, where everything works together. Phones, laptops, watches, smart fridges, all sharing power and storage instantly. This is called super device system. You can drag a file from your phone to your laptop, edit it on your tablet, and print it from your fridge, all without using the internet or cloud storage. It is a new way of thinking about devices, not separate products, but one connected system. Huawei's move fits into China's larger goal to become fully independent from foreign tech. By 2027, all Chinese government systems are expected to switch to local operating systems. Huawei is playing a key role in making that happen. In 2024 alone, Huawei invested 118 billion yuan, equivalent to $25 billion in software, AI, and chip development. Not flashy features, but the deep infrastructure that powers technology. If HarmonyOS Next proves reliable, it could be exported to other countries looking for independence from US tech giants. This is not just about Huawei versus Google or Microsoft. It is about who controls the future of technology. As HarmonyOS grows, US companies are worried not just about losing business, but about losing global influence. If more countries choose to follow China's model, the balance of tech power could shift, not through headlines, but through millions of everyday choices. The big question: who will write the rules of the future? Technology is changing fast, and with HarmonyOS, Huawei is betting on a future where digital independence matters more than ever. To follow how this new tech future is unfolding, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell.